Hey guys, how are you going? Hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are fine, healthy at home. It's been a tough year for us because of the COVID-19. We're asked to stay at home. We're self-isolating just to flatten the curve. I was getting into uploading a lot of videos, vlogs, but thing is, due to staying at home, I'm running out of content. But rest assured, I'll be uploading more content. At this point, I've just looked into my old files and saw my 2016 vlogs where I started. We went to TASSIE. That was my first trip. So in this vlog, it's gonna be really amateur, like really amateur. So bear with me. But the thing is, yeah, I'm gonna get it through, and I'll just try to put some narrations or anything. But yeah, it's an old vlog. I didn't know how to vlog. I still don't know how to vlog till now. But yeah, there's no continuity. It's just me filming whatever I see and taking photos and filming. But rest assured, hope you guys will enjoy it. I enjoy looking at it, just my memories. But yeah, I'm gonna try to upload daily or every other day, or yeah, I'm not making promises, but I'll put up the series up. So just yeah, stay tuned and yeah, just watch it. That's it. It's 4 a.m. Just woke up. You can see my eyes. I haven't slept for a long time. We're heading to TASSIE. I'm at Ingrid's place, trying to pick up Simu and Ingrid, and we'll be leaving for TASSIE later. See ya.
Fucking hell, my shades.
You left it? Okay, we're in the G parking lot and she's hiding. Hi, Laura. Hi.
Just kidding.
Hi, mate.
This is how.
F is here.
Crazy start.
Nine.
Sorry, mate.
Not me.
Kumunsa ka? Oh, puta na.
Sige, sapatos na ako.
What's up? What are you doing there, mate? What are you doing there?
Ang nasa news.
So, Laura's running away. Where's Simu? Yeah. So yeah, we're heading to TASSIE right now, and we're on our way boarding.
And so, yeah, I'm taking my body.
That's my shit.
stay.
In your go, Mount
I
Olympus.
He's pregnant.
Asan niya?
Highlands.
Murag doon lang lagi sa map
Tagaytay
na
Highlands. Tagaytay Highlands.
Is it turned on again?
Not yet.
And it's $5.
Drinks.
Yeah. $4.
Oh, this is crazy.
Are you pregnant, JM? JM, are you pregnant? No! Drive ka. Just arrived in Hobart. And yes, it was a good ride, mate.
I'm sick.
Now we're looking for a car rentals. Car rentals goes there.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, good morning.
Oh, it's there. Within the terminal, could you please make your immediate way forward to the Sky gate number 4? As your aircraft is fully boarded and awaiting immediate departure.
Okay.
Once again, final warning call, Mr. Andrew Henderson.
Mr. Henderson. What are we trying to do? I'm getting tired now. Lots thingy-majiggy. Good job.
You healer.
Maybe here.
Pag-healer ba? Ah, dramatic.
Ay, wala kasi.
Ano magic nito?
Ano ba asa na nabukid?
Won't you give up? Na, na, na. Won't you give up? Na, na, na. Let me love.
It's gonna spill, I know it will.
So we're waiting for the ferry. What was that?
I went to food.
So we're waiting for the ferry here in Hobart for Bruny Island. And I'm sleepy. And the guy at the back there is doing some GoPro footages. We're trying to have some meal. Yeah, he's doing his job now. I look like hell.
So now I know why, cause one you put there on the dashboard,
Yeah.
one on your hand, and one on the selfie stick.
Yeah,
You know, mate.
yeah, man.
You need 5 fucking GoPros, mate. 5.
Yeah, I agree with you,
1,
Mike.
2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Or 5. 5. This is 5. Yes, it's 5. It's V. V for virgin. And 5. It's a Roman numeral. There's a joke. That joke of the day.
No, come on, tell me what's the joke of the day, Mike?
A Roman went into a bar
Okay.
and he raised his 2 fingers and he said, 5 beers, please. 5, this is me.
Oh, fucking ruined! What?
No, it's a dad joke, mate.
Okay, it's a dad joke.
Yeah. 5 gets me.
Fine, Mike.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna take note of that.
Roman version, Roman.
Today